Hi, I'm Danny from Autochair. Today I'm here to show you our new smart scooter seat, which has been designed to overcome one of the challenges our customers face, which is removing the seat from their scooter when loading it into a vehicle with one of our hoists. Some scooter seats can weigh up to 20 kilograms, which can be very difficult to remove and replace. The heaviest part of our scooter seat is 3 kilograms, which is the equivalent to 4 pints of milk. Previously, if our customers were unable to remove their scooter seats, they would either have to purchase a smaller scooter or a larger vehicle, neither of which we thought was fair to ask our customers to do and have to make a compromise on their comfort or drive a larger vehicle, which is going to be more expensive. So we designed the scooter seat, which allows you to keep your current car and scooter without compromise. The smart scooter seat is incredibly easy to take apart and put back together. How many of the elements that you need to take off will be determined at point of installation. As you can see, each element of the scooter seat is easily removable, starting with the armrests, which are not handed, so they can go in either side. Then the backrest, which can also be removed with one hand. The seat base, simply lift up using the little grab handle. And then we have the base of the seat, which comes off just by lifting it out. So that's it completely disassembled, and to put it back together you just do the same in reverse, starting with the base. Then we use the base cushion, which if you look on the underside you can see that we have a opening in the moulding where it's going to line up with this rear arm. Then the backrest. And again the armrest, which again, they're not handed, so whichever orientation you pick it up or try to put it in, they will slot in. Like so, and that is it completely assembled. Getting on and off the scooter seat is incredibly easy. Just by pulling the release lever here, it'll allow the seat to turn in either direction, and it will lock off every 90 degrees, and that'll allow you to easily and safely get off the scooter seat. As you can see, the scooter seat comes with its own lifting bracket, which attaches easily to your hoist. Now that you're attached, you can lift and load and ready to go. Thank you for watching.